Libiamo nel lieti calici che la bellezza infiora e là fuggeva l'ora s'inebria folluta libiam ne dolci fremiti che suscita l'amore poiché.
Hi everyone, my name is Chris. I'm a coffee enthusiast, and today we will talk about the amazing professional espresso machine from Orchestrale, the Orchestrale Nota. The Orchestrale Nota is designed for small coffee shops and those who are interested to have that perfect espresso at the comfort of their homes. Our friends from Sapporo was very kind enough to let me borrow this for the past few weeks. And also part of my testing was to try different espresso beans from our roasters here in Manila. So let me share to you what I found out. One thing for sure, I was able to get perfect extraction. It uses a 3-liter boiler, very silent. So as a heat exchange machine, it gives you that balance of power. Talking about steam, it's really powerful. If you are into making latte art, you will love this machine. The first time I used it, I had some problems, maybe because it's really powerful, but eventually I got the feel of it and I was able to produce that perfect milk for my latte. What I also like about this machine is that it has a water tank, so if you're not into connecting it to a water line, then you will love this 2-liter water tank. It also uses a boiler and a pump pressure gauge, so you would find out what's happening under the hood. It's 100% Italian made. The knobs can also be customized. The panels can also be customized. The lever, you can also do a pre-infusion, but I recommend to do pre-infusion if you are connected to a water line. Some things that I would like to note was that the noise, when there's no more water, it gives you that weird sound. It's really sometimes annoying. If you're also using an Acaia weighing scale, there is a small room for a latte mug under the group head. It's also heavy. It's about 66 pounds, so if you're planning to transfer this from one place to another, you might need some help. Overall, I love this machine. I would definitely recommend that you get this one, especially if you're a home enthusiast, a coffee enthusiast. This one's for you.